If I ask you a simple question, how a country earns, what will be your answer? Some of you will say through tax on goods and services, some of you will say through income tax, and some of you will say through tax on imports and exports. But do you know there exists a country in the South Pacific Ocean that earns around 8 to 9% of its annual revenue just by licensing its domain extension? Yes, you heard me right. It earns about 8 to 9% by just licensing its domain extension. And surprisingly, most of the big media giants like Netflix, Amazon, Twitch, Disney, all are dependent on the domain extension of this country. Every country has a domain extension. India has .in, Pakistan has .pk, United States has .us, and the country about which we are going to discuss today in this video is known as Tuvalu, whose domain extension is .tv. Let's dive into the video and explore more about this small island nation located in the South Pacific Ocean. Timestamps of this video are on the screen as well as in the description box. Now let's start. Tuvalu is located in the halfway somewhere between Hawaii and Australia. It is a chain of islands with nearly a population of 11,000 people. Tuvalu got its independence in the year 1978 from the United Kingdom. There is one airport, one hospital, one bank, and one road that connects entire Tuvalu. In the year 1995, Tuvalu got a message in its fax machine that it has been assigned the domain extension of .tv, and that fax message became a jackpot for them. .tv became the country code top level domain for Tuvalu. Country code top level domain is an internet top level domain generally used or reserved for a country, sovereign state, or a dependent territory identified with a country code. .tv is a worldwide metonym for broadcast entertainment. In the year 1995, most people were not aware of the .tv domain extension or the internet and its potential. But 26 years later, .tv domain extension became one of the most valuable resources for Tuvalu. In the initial days, to monetize the .tv domain extension, the government of Tuvalu has negotiated a series of agreements allowing foreign companies to market the top level domain extension. Under the current deal signed in the year 2011, Virginia-based network infrastructure firm VeriSign pays Tuvalu around $5 million per year for the right to administer .tv. For a nation whose annual domestic revenue is around $60 million, $5 million was a substantial amount. With more than 140 million people around the world consuming content via Twitch TV and other streaming platforms, the monetary benefits have helped Tuvalu in more tangible ways than entertainment. Also, many of the big media giants have registered .tv URLs of their own. Disney Plus.tv redirects user to Disney's main website, and the same goes with Netflix.tv, Hulu.tv, YouTube.tv, and Amazon.tv. But the deal which was signed with VeriSign was in the year 2011, and that will expire in this year 2021. If we compare today's internet with the one that was in 2011, then there will be a hell and heaven difference. The internet back then was in a very primitive stage, but today the scenario is quite different. In the past 8 to 9 years only, Twitch's viewership has increased by 1580%, and almost the condition is same with some of the other media companies which have themselves registered with .tv domain extension. So starting from this year, new negotiation will be happen, new price will be set, and the new deal will be formed, whatever the price may be. But it will be definitely way more than the $5 million per year what Tuvalu was getting. People of Tuvalu are mainly dependent on the imported food. Their limited amount of agriculture and fishing doesn't yield enough food to support the entire population. Despite this imbalance in the food production, the quality of life in Tuvalu is much high. Compulsory public education has brought the nation's adult literacy rate up to 99%. Interestingly, other than licensing its domain extension, there is one more source that Tuvalu has which even accounts to a more bigger chunk in its annual revenue. It is its territorial fishing rights. Tuvalu earns around $19 million per year by licensing its territorial fishing rights. The World Bank classifies Tuvalu as an upper middle income economy and also have plans to install a submarine fiber optic cable in Tuvalu, which will lead in increasing the nation's bandwidth and boosting the internet connectivity. And that's all in today's video. In this video, we have discussed about Tuvalu, its .tv domain extension, how the deal happened, and about the people of Tuvalu. If you have anything to say, feel free to write it down in the comment section below.